Yo, this is how I made a beat for Zulu Romance by Black Diamonds. I started off with this lead guitar. This is a guitar from Contact Library. I don't know which one, I forgot, but yeah, I think if you like look for Contact Libraries, you can find that. Then the next thing I did was these Rhodes. Pretty simple, right? So they're in the scale of C sharp minor, as you can see here. Then it goes to B major. Then from there, it's A major. Then back to C sharp minor. After the Rhodes, I went and found this saxophone. I felt like the melody was missing something, so I added this Vox. At some different sections of the beat, I added this plug guitar as well. So after that, I went and found this percussion loop. After the percussion loop, I had an idea of what kind of bounce I wanted to go with, so I went to the bass. So this bass follows the root note of the chords that I just showed you. After that, I went and did this percussion. This is a basic Afrobeat pattern. Then I went and layered this conga. This conga carries a lot of the bounce of this beat. Then after that, I went and did another pattern with that same conga just to give it a little bit of more energy. After that, I went ahead and did the kick. That is a 3-step kick, mostly using Afro-tech/house songs or beats. Then I went again and layered this shaker percussion. So after that, I just had to add in the tag and the drum fill. Yeah, that's the beat. Thank you for watching. And remember, always keep it simple. Bye.